This is our 2022 Forest River Wildwood X-LITE. It comes with 2 propane tanks and 2 batteries. The second battery was an additional add. Comes with a large pass-through for holding your equipment and supplies. And also 2 exterior doors, one that leads directly into the family living space and one that leads directly into the bathroom, which is nice so that when people want to use the restroom, they don't have to walk all the way through your RV. Also, it has an outdoor kitchen with a griddle and a refrigerator that has actually never been used. As we walk into the main door, it has large picture windows, panoramic windows, a nice dinette sitting area, bunk beds for extra sleeping. This is the bathroom. And again, the door to the exterior. It has a cabinet for storage, has a little cabinet for storage down there. We've added these racks on the walls for towel storage, and it comes with a nice large walk-in shower with a skylight for extra headroom. Then as we walk back out here to the main RV area, you can see the nice fireplace at the end there. It actually puts off quite a bit of heat as well, and we've used it to heat our entire RV without having to turn the propane on. You can also just turn it on for ambiance. The kitchen area, the double sink, lots of storage, microwave, the gas cooktop that comes with 3 burners. An oversized refrigerator. Freezer. Refrigerator. It does have pantry for storage and food. Also, all of these accessories that you see, the pots, the pans, the silverware, these extra baskets will all be sold with the RV. And then it has a separate master bedroom, which is very nice, with its storage closets on each side. It's got a window on each side, and it also has the capacity to put another TV in here if you would like. We did add this flat screen TV that will be sold with the RV as well. This folds out into a very large, nice bed, probably about the size of a queen bed. This also folds down into extra sleeping area. And again, the storage. Whoop!